Now then, so I just want to do a quick video. I've had a delivery today, to my surprise. I was just looking out the window having my dinner and a huge truck pulled up and it had my new compressor in it. So yeah, dead chuffed to bits today. Anyway, this is a new compressor. Take a look at this. There she is. My new SIP QT Air. So this wasn't supposed to be ready until about the 3rd of November. They were behind on these. They're very popular. As soon as they're in stock, they go out of stock. I've just zoomed out there to give you a bit of a better look. So that's the control panel on the end. And obviously you can see each light there for each pump, each motor on the top. So it's got 3 motors on the top with 6 pumps, I think. And they fire up separately. So it's 230 volt, and I've had to wire in a 16 amp plug there. I've had to have that professionally installed. It's 4.5 horsepower. And it kicks out 22.8 CFM, and it's got 18, possibly 18.5 free air delivery of CFM, 18.5 CFM of free air. So that's how much it'll flow, which is absolutely ideal for these spray guns, because these Anistaya spray guns, they need quite a lot of air. So even though there's 3 motors, it is only 67 decibels, so it's nice and quiet. This is the 200 litre tank. So as this is just a quick review, I'm going to get it fired up and we'll see what it sounds like. So that's it, that's the new compressor. I'm chuffed it's come today, it's come a week early. One thing I will say, if I'm to knock anything of it, is this here. It's made out of plastic. I mean, it houses the electrics. Really, I would have hoped that would have been metal. I would have preferred this to have been metal than it being plastic. You see, that's the only thing really that I can knock it so far. But yeah, looking forward to do a spray job with it. And talking of spray jobs, I'm going to have to get bashed on now, get on with some more work. I hope you all enjoyed the Transit Custom video that I uploaded yesterday. If you've not seen it already, please have a look at the Transit Custom video. That job, absolute nightmare. It was about 11 days of work, absolute rot box, absolutely rotten it was. A load of work went into that, please check it out. Right, I'm off to do some more work. See you later.